Nagaland DGP IPS Rupin Sharma के अजय मीडिया पर नागालैंड दे सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट केस पिछी हुई था के ऊपर सवाल उठा दे शर्मा पर खुशी के असॉल्ट केस तो सोशल प्रॉब्लम আছে किटिया इटू पब्लिक जगह कांदे होय इटू दो प्रिवेंट करबले पारे होलिबी किटिया असॉल्ट केस तो निजर खर पर होय इटू समय केस तो बिशी दिक्कतार होय गना जनाय कोई गना जनाय दिशे नागालैंड लगा मेजर टाउन कांदे सीसीटीवी रखिबले कुई আছে আৰু पेट्रोलिंग दो लगिना जायसे
Regarding the rising sexual assault cases in Nagaland.
See, the sexual assault cases are essentially social problem. Okay, there are cases where there is a history of assault and all. Those cases, if public reports to us, we will be able to prevent. But if it is in the family, if it is in the closed confines of a house, it is very difficult to prevent all this unless the police is informed about all this. However, for assault or all these problems in public places, as I have been saying, that we plan to install facial recognition cameras, surveillance cameras, CCTV cameras in the major towns of Nagaland. Hopefully this will make the lives of women and children much more safer in Nagaland in times to come. Besides the normal thing of increasing patrolling and all, that is being done, that will be done, but I think it's more important that the victims of assault or the family members, they should start reporting to police or to the authorities. I don't know, I personally feel that probably instances of harassment or sexual assault and all were there and are there always in all societies. If I can think of something which is good which is happening is that the victims and their families are reposing their trust in the police and law enforcement agencies and reporting to us. That is one of the reasons why we are seeing more and more cases. So it is a good encouraging sign that public is finding that it is good and useful to report to the police.
Is there one question again? Is Nagaland currently losing or winning the war against drug abuse in Nagaland?
I think in parts we are winning the war against drugs, but as I said in the function today, it is not a war only for the police to fight, it is for everyone to fight. So I will invite everybody to join, but just for the knowledge of everybody in Nagaland, in the past 2 weeks, all the DGPs of Northeast states and the anti-narcotic task force heads of the Northeast states, we have come together. We are trying to develop a common concerted strategy for checking drug trafficking. So which means anyone who is bringing drugs from say Mizoram or Manipur to Nagaland will now not be able to escape anywhere in Nagaland or in Assam or West Bengal. Similarly, those who are trying to procure drugs in Assam or Nagaland or rest of the country from traffickers in Manipur or Nagaland, they will be under a better scanner of the police and law enforcement agencies in the future. So this strategy will hopefully take the shape in the next say 10 days or so. The strategy is already being made, but it will take concrete shape in the next 10 days or so, and we'll see better results in future also.